Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be walking you through why journalists and activists trust Proton Mail. For journalists breaking sensitive stories and activists organizing in high-risk environments, secure communication isn't a feature, it's a necessity. One tool consistently appears in their toolkit, that is Proton Mail. But why? Let's break down the security reasons that make it the gold standard. Number 1. It is built on zero-access encryption. The core principle is zero-access encryption. This means your emails are encrypted on your device before they even reach Proton servers in Switzerland. The encryption keys are yours alone. Why does this matter? It matters because even if Proton Mail were legally compelled to hand over data, all they could provide is encrypted scrambled text. They have no master key and cannot access the contents of your mailbox. This protects sources and sensitive information from third parties. Number 2. Jurisdiction and legal protection. Proton Mail is based in Switzerland, a country famous for its strong privacy laws. This jurisdiction is a huge advantage. Why does it matter? Well, Switzerland is outside US and EU jurisdiction, making it not subject to laws like the US Cloud Act. Any data request must go through the Swiss legal system, which has a high bar for approval and requires transparency, giving users vital legal protection. 3. No personal data required. You can sign up for Proton Mail without handing over any personal data. You do not need to provide a phone number, a recovery email, or any identifiable information. This allows for true anonymous usage. A journalist can create an account over Tor or a VPN to contact a source without linking their real identity to the account, preventing exposure through metadata harvesting. 4. Open source and independently audited. Proton Mail's core encryption software is open source. This means security experts worldwide can examine the code for flaws or backdoors. Furthermore, their security model has been independently audited. This transparency builds trust. The community can verify their security claims themselves, a critical factor for people whose lives depend on their tools being secure. Finally, remember, no single tool guarantees anonymity. Proton Mail is most powerful as part of a broader security strategy. So using a VPN, practicing good OPSEC, and combining it with other tools like Signup helps. But for secure email, it is encryption and privacy-focused design. Proton's encryption and privacy-focused design makes it the premier choice for those on the front lines. Hope you found this video helpful.